Okay, let's get started building out our blockchain project. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to open our terminal and we are going to create our blockchain directory. So I'm going to do it in my programs folder, and here I'm going to create a directory called blockchain. And then I'm going to change into that blockchain directory, which is currently empty. Cool. So inside of this blockchain directory, this is where we're going to be doing all of our programming for this course. We are going to be building out our entire blockchain inside of this blockchain directory. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to put some folders and files into this directory. So the first folder that we want to put into this directory is called dev. So we will make a directory called dev. And inside of this dev directory is where we are going to be doing most of the coding for this course. This is where we're going to be building out our blockchain data structure and where we are going to be creating our API to interact with our blockchain, and where we're going to be doing some testing and things like that. Pretty much all of our coding will be done in this dev folder. So right now we're going to change into this dev folder, and we're going to create two files in here. So we're going to say touch, which will create a file for us, and we're going to create a file called blockchain.js. And we're going to create a second file called test.js, which is where we will be testing our blockchain. So now we have our blockchain.js file and our test.js file, both inside of our dev folder. Great. So now we are going to change back up into our blockchain directory. And the next thing that we want to do is we want to run npm init. And what this command will do is it will make this an npm project. And here we have some options, and we could just press enter through here to set up our project. Great. So that's pretty much all we want to do for setting up our file structure right now. So inside of our blockchain directory, we have all of our files. And we can open up these files by using whatever text editor you want to use. I'm going to use Sublime. So this is our blockchain directory right here that we just created. And this is the dev folder that we just created inside of it. And it has our blockchain.js and our test.js files. And then when we ran npm init, it created this package JSON for us, which pretty much just keeps track of our project and any dependencies that we need and allows us to run scripts and that kind of thing. And we will be working more inside of this package JSON file in the future, so you'll become more familiar with it. Okay, great. That is it for the setting up of our file structure for this project. And in the next section, we will begin building out our blockchain data structure. See you there.